Hello world. Today we'll be learning how to sort out an error having to do with NPM installation. Unfortunately, my MacBook crashed and then I'm trying to reinstall some packages. I'm trying to do some work and then I'm having this error. As you can see, NPM. The big error is that it's warning me because the NPM cannot see the URL to the NPM website. So we're trying to write some command and then to fix this bug. So without much ado, let's fix it. Over here, this is the link about the copy, and then I'll take you to, if you're on a Mac, you go to your system preference, you open your network, go to advanced, let me move myself out of the way, you go to pausing, already, you come down here, you include the link you just copied. And the comma, you copy the other one. Next one. Paste. Click OK. So you click apply. That should be all. So how about we run some more code? Oh, the last code around. Okay, NPM install. I'm trying to install some NPM packages. So let's run this code again and see if we're going to still have the error. Some of this error should go. Might take a while. I'm trying to bypass, I call this error socket timeout. If you go, okay, you see what happened? We didn't get much error like we did previously. You see all the lengthy errors we got here. When we run the same code, we didn't get this error socket timeout anymore. We didn't get it anymore. So that one has been taken care of. So we just have three more errors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Previously we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16. So we have lesser errors now. So this is the part on how to sort out the fuzzy error. Like the video, share, stand by. I'll soon make another one on how to solve the other errors. Have a nice day.